Welcome to the Mad Maker Show. My name is Eloy. I'm your host, and we have a special guest tonight. That's Julian Martinez II, and that's 5x30 Woodworking. We're going to get to him in a second. Next week, we're going to have King's Fine Woodworking here on the show, so come back and see us. Jamie Page.
Hello, everybody. I am Jamie Page, or JP, whichever you prefer.
5x30 Woodworking. What's going on, dude?
Not much, man. First of all, really appreciate you guys having me on. It's kind of cool being on something this big. You know, I mean, I know you guys might not think it's big, but it is. I mean, you guys have some big names on here. I remember, about a year or so ago, you were thinking about doing it, Eloy, and you were like, who would watch this? And I was like, I would. I was like, I think it would be pretty cool to find out, because you talk to makers on a day-to-day, and you get to know them, but you don't sometimes it doesn't come up with little things like going back into history or knowing them, but it's nice to go back and actually understand, okay, now I know why he does the things he does, or like you said, why we have screws loose.
Yeah, that's totally it, dude.
Mad Maker shirts available now. 60s retro design, many colors to choose from. Link in the description. Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I. Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared HIldabrant, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Soft, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Breck McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TN, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.